Hi guys, my name is Jack from Split Pixel Studios, and today I'm going to be demonstrating my email client that I've made in the Bash scripting language. You can download this from the link in the description. I'm going to download it from Hack Farms because that's where I've posted it. This is, bearing in mind, this is version 1. This is a test version. It's not complete and it's a bit buggy, but I'm going to download it. And we've got the WinRAR file, so I'm going to minimize this. We don't need it. The way this email client works is it works over Dropbox, and when you send an email it syncs to Dropbox. So both any users that are using the email client need to be on the same Dropbox account. I'm probably going to upload this to FTP or something like that. I'm going to change the method how it works because it takes one arsehole to ruin the whole project for you. So inside the README file, inside the WinRAR file, there is a folder called email and a folder called email client. There's also a file called readme.txt which will tell you where to put the files, but we're not going to bother with that. I'm going to show you what to do. So we're going to open up the Dropbox folder and go to public, and in the root of the public folder you want to drag and drop the email folder like that. And then once you've done that, we just need to drag the email client to the desktop. That can go anywhere on a memory stick, whatever. So then we're going to open up email client, and inside here is users. Users will be empty because this is the first time we've started the client. I'm going to open up client.bat. I'm also going to open up the Dropbox folder, and we'll put that over there. So inside of the emails folder is everyone's inbox, but there's obviously no users, so there's no inboxes. Hopefully you can see sort of the pattern there. So I'll just put that like that, and this like that, and this is the email client. So this will run through the admin creation because there's no users. The default admin username is root, and you need to set a password. So the password will be pass, and there we go. So the details are now saved, and you can see that the inbox for the user root has been added to the Dropbox folder. Inside users is also the root username and the password.txt. So we're going to log in like that, and then we're logged in. This is the admin menu for the root account. No one else can be admin apart from the root. I might change that. I might say people can have flags and stuff like that. But this is the admin menu, so you can add users and you can go to the normal menu. So I'm going to add a user, and his name is going to be Jack. And the password is going to be God. And then you can see that the inbox for Jack has been created over there. And then you can delete users, or you can go back. So I'm going to go to the normal menu, and these are the settings for the normal menu. You can change the password here, and this is the inbox. Obviously there's no emails yet, so you just have to type back. And I'm going to send a test email to the user Jack, so I'm going to click compose mail. The recipient of the email will be Jack, the subject will be test, and the body text will be hello Jack. Press enter, and the email has been sent to the user. So obviously if I go to the inbox, you can't see the email because it hasn't gone to you, it's gone to Jack. So if I log out, log back in as Jack with the password God, go to the inbox, and you can see there's an email from the user root with the subject test. So to open up the email you need to do open speech marks, root, and then the name of the actual file, the whole file, so including the .txt at the end, and then end thing is, and then press enter, and the email doesn't exist still. The reason why that's not working is because I need to make a temporary fix in the code. You can watch me do it. I need to change it so this is just a temporary fix, but we're going to make it so it goes to the actual file path. So username, Dropbox, public, email, emails, send user, send right file, and save. This needs to be updated in the actual download, but basically if we open up email client, Jack, root, you can see that you can log in with anyone's password. That's also a bug, I need to fix that as well. But if we go to the inbox, try and open the email, and there it opens. So you can see that exactly what's in here is now displayed on the screen. So what I'm going to do now is delete the email, and it'll delete the email, and then I'm going to type back and send an email back to the admin. Email sent, log out, log back in, as because of that fix I need to restart this. Normal menu, inbox, and then there's another email from Jack. So I'll open the email, and there we go. So you can instantly reply to the email. It won't, you have to type out the recipient again. I could fix that, but I'm a bit lazy. So that's pretty much the email client so far. I'll just demonstrate changing the password. So we'll log in as Jack, password God, settings, change password, old password is God. That needs to be changed as well, obviously. And the new password will be Bob. Password changed. So I don't know if that will actually have worked. No, I don't think it would have worked. But if I put that in there, it'll work. Go back, log out, username Jack, Bob, and then we're back in. So that's the email client. Obviously it's version 1, so I need to do some fixes, which I'll probably do tomorrow. You can download it from the link in the description if you want it. I won't recommend downloading it yet because it's obviously not completely finished. How many lines of code have I wrote? This is only 302 lines of code. It's pretty good. You need to have a Dropbox account. There's one in the description which you can use, or you can just use your own Dropbox account. That's it for this video. Please subscribe, rate and comment. Thank you for watching. You can download it in